Hello, pretty geeks. I am running on pure adrenaline right now, and I got such a cool surprise from Influencer and Meow Mix. We got a remix mealtime box. I have no idea what's inside, so I wanted to open it with y'all. I just scratched off our label, almost, to see what's inside. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right. So we have lots of paper, and a big box of Meow Mix seafood favorites. We've got 12 cups. There's also one individual cup of tenders and sauce, real turkey and giblets. So we also got chunks and gravy. 3 different varieties: tuna and salmon, salmon and ocean fish, and white fish and tuna. So we've got quite a few of them. Oh, Mr. Sniffy Nose is awake too. Wait, come on. Hey, Sniffs. What's up, buddy? This is our hamster, Mr. Sniffy Nose, looking for his treats. This is his kind of cool enclosure here. Giving him a wash. Is Alfie there? Hi, Alfie. Hi, buddy. Hi. So why don't we see if Alfie is a fan of any of these. Let's start with, oh, we've got a loose guy. We'll start with our turkey for today. Ooh, didn't even have to show you. Oh my goodness. I think we've got a winner. Thanks for joining me for today's very speedy unboxing. I love you all so much. Bye.